For today's vlog guys, I'm gonna unbox my husband's present for my birthday. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Jenny and Sergeant Vlog channel, and how's everyone? Hope everyone is doing good and great. Okay, so for today's vlog guys, I'm gonna unbox my husband's present for my birthday last January 7. Actually, it is a bit late na because they delivered a bit late, quite late. Kaya ngayon lang ako mag-unbox ng gift. Actually, I didn't know that he ordered something for me, and it is funny because he ordered in Zalora and it is under my name. So I was shocked when the delivery man came and he handed me this one. I said I didn't order anything. And then when I asked him, yeah, he was the one who ordered for me. So it's gonna be his present, a birthday present. So let's unbox it. So this is from Zalora. This one guys, so look at that. It is under my name. Ayan, Zalora. I don't know what this is. I think it's let's check guys what is inside. Oh wow. It is H&M and size medium. Yes, unfortunately it is size medium because I gained weight. Before my size was XS, now my size XS has been changed into medium. Okay, so this is it with heart design here. Ayan guys. Okay, so this one H&M. That price is here. I like the color, so I like it because the color is beige. Hindi siya ano. Ayaw kasi ng mga kulay na mga ano. So alam niyo yung mga color na gusto ko, yung mga light lang. Okay, so yung laman ng isa ay this one guys. So let me check the other one also. Ayan, Zalora. It is from Zalora. Oh wow. Oxygen. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko? Oxygen. O-X-G-N. So, this one guys, pink. Because he knows I love pink. Pink color. This one, wow, I like it. Medium size. So excited to fit them. This one guys, Oxygen with heart design again here. White design, white heart design. Ayan. dalawa medyo maikse, yung oxygen na dalawa, yellow, tsaka yung pink. Pero yung H&M's, sobrang cool niya. Malamig sa katawan, maganda yung yung fitting, at tsaka tamang-tama lang yung mahaba. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching, guys. Sa mga bagong bisita sa aming channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. And sa mga nag-subscribe na, thank you so much sa mga supports nyo. And for more videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you so much. See you.